Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to add notes to your variable in Stata. So in some situations, you may need to remind yourself about how you made the decisions and what you did in your previous analysis, and adding some notes to your variable may be very helpful for this purpose. So I have a variable called demo. So if you write sum demo, so I need the summary statistics. So you will see that this variable ranges from minimum is 1 and maximum is 20. So it ranges from 1 to 20. So all values fall between these. And however, so when I actually got this data from its secondary sources, I basically had this. I had not had the have this variable in this form. It was basically coded differently, and the value ranges from -1 to -20, where -20 was the worst country in terms of democracy, and -1 was the highest level of democracy. But as it stands now, it is 1 means the lowest levels of democracy and 20 means the highest level. So as the number goes up, the levels of democracy grows up. So basically the problem was the negative sign in this variable. So the way I got rid of the negative sign is add 20 to all values of this variable, so that I get it now 1 to 20. So the higher number means higher levels of democracy. So and I may have forgotten what I did previously, so I want to add note to this variable. So for that purpose, what I do is to go to data and variable manager. So you can see the variable in demo, and there's a, on the right hand side you see there's a option called notes and manage. So I'll click on manage and add. So what I add was 20 was added to all values to this variable to get rid of negative sign. So and add submit. Close this and then close this as well. So now if you write a command called describe all, it describes all the variables. So and towards the end it says indicated variables that have notes. So at least one of them has notes on with it. So and this is the note. So this star means this variable has notes with it. So if you click on this notes, it gives you this this note here. So you'll find 20 was added to all values to this variable to get rid of negative sign. But you can also use a command called notes and then your variable name, which is demo, and hit enter. You'll find the same notes here. So this is the way you can remind yourself that what kind of variable is this, what kind of transformation decisions that you made previously. So and this will be immensely helpful when you get back to work on data analysis again after an interval. So thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you find this helpful.